Hello and welcome. Today I have some power banks that I want to review and tell you which one I think are the best for traveling. Several options here. This is not a sponsored video. I did purchase these all on my own and have used them for quite a while. Let's dive into it. The first is this one by Myati. This is just a normal standard power bank, nothing special. It does have a little button on the side, the little power button, where you can test your charge to see, and it just has these four little dots. And then it has up here all the different connectors that you might need to connect to your different devices, your phone, your tablet, or whatnot. The next one is this one by Blaver. It's a very rugged design, and it comes with solar panels. So this is a very good option if you're going to be out in the wilderness and you need a backup. Something that if something happens, if you have to survive, you can charge this and have power. I will note though, if your phone is completely dead, it'll take about 24 to 36 hours for these panels to charge your phone completely, and that's in complete sunlight the whole time. So keep that in mind. But if you're in a pinch and you just need just a little bit of energy so you can make a call or a text or something like that, this is perfect for that, okay? And then it also has flashlights on it. And so there's a little power button, and you just hold it down and it turns the lights on. Pretty neat. So kind of an all-in-one little gadget here. And this is by Blaver. It also comes with a little compass. The next one is one of my favorites, and this is this one by Sabani. Why do I like this one? Is it has a little digital screen here. It tells you percentage-wise how much you have left on your power bank, which is really cool. And then on the back, it has all your different connection cables already built into it, which is fantastic. So if I pull out my phone and I want to charge it, I can just get this one right here and plug it in, and it is charging. Really cool. I took this one with me to Lake Powell, and I used it to charge my phone. I used it to also charge my portable fan. I have this little portable fan that I use when I sleep, and it's a battery operated one. And so I can just charge it with this. Really cool. This holds a lot of power in it. It can fully charge. You could probably do 3 to 4 full charges on a phone from 0 to 100%. That's pretty good. And then if you want to charge the power bank, you would use these cables as well and just plug that in to your little power brick. Now, probably my new favorite out of all these is this one by Anker. And what I love about this thing is it is MagSafe and it is magnetic. So it just connects right to your phone on the back, which is awesome. And so if I take out my phone, here it is. I'm going to attach this right there. And even with the case, it magnetically connects, and it's on there very solid. And if I look at this, it indeed is charging. And then of course it has a little cable slot right here where you can plug it in to charge the actual power bank. When you're holding on to it, the battery itself acts as another little handle for your phone. It is a little bit heavy, but that's okay. And it just fits still really well in the pocket. Some of these are a little bit larger, so they don't fit as well in your pocket with your phone. So that is the magnetic MagSafe one by Anker. I really like that one. So if I could only choose one of these, if I could only have one, I would probably have this one by Anker just because it's so convenient. You don't have to mess around with cables or anything like that. It just attaches right to your phone and starts charging. My next favorite one would be this one by Sabani, just because all the different cable options that are already built in to the device. My next one is this one by Blaver, just because of the ability it has to use the solar panels and to charge. So it's very good for a survival situation. And the little flashlights come in handy as well. And a little compass as well. Very good option. And then my least favorite would probably be these ones just because they're very basic. They're all fairly cheap. I got these all on Amazon. I'll put a link to all these down below in the description in case you want to pick them up. So there you go. That is a look at these power banks. Hopefully you found one that might be useful for you. thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and happy traveling, everyone.